This is a Chucki beat production.
Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome to another Carib Fusion video. Popcaan recently released the video or the visuals for his song Nah Idol. Now this song is not a new song, it's been out for about 4 months now, so I believe it's one of the first songs that he released after the clash with Mavado and himself, and I thought it was quite interesting. The song's called Nah Idol, and that's exactly, he wasn't idling anymore. And I think, you know, we accept dancehall for what it is. Clashing is a big part of it, but for me personally, I was happy to see the change of direction from clashing to not clashing, and actually focusing on bigger things, better things, I suppose, more productive things. As far as the message in the song, I mean, yes, I really like to see that he's actually gone back to a more grassroots type of feel on this song. A lot of people are saying the video is not that hot. I disagree. I think for the song itself, this type of video actually suffice. You don't want too much of a hype thing going on. You want people to listen to it. The melody is good, you know what I'm saying? Like, the message in the song would be overcrowded if he was, you know, flossing in the video. The video itself was produced or created by SBTV, and many people in the UK know that that's one of the biggest, I guess, online creators, I guess if you want to call it that. So people who are, you know, in tune with the grime scene in the UK will know what SBTV is. It's very much in tune with what's going on with, I guess, the streets of the UK. So to see the video being produced by those people, I thought, okay, I see what's going on here. I was actually quite happy to see that. In one of my previous videos where I spoke about, you know, Popcaan winning the Mobos, one of the things that I spoke about was how well he networks. I don't know of any other dancehall artist who networks as well as he does. Now, that's up for discussion, but I'm just saying for myself, he has links everywhere. And even in the UK, you know, you see him with Crep and Conan, you see him with, you know, different people from the grime scene. So he is very much making himself a part of the British culture as well as the American culture. You know, obviously being with, you know, Drake or being signed to Drake, that plays a big part, but he's also doing his own thing by, you know, linking with the grime scene, which is on the rise, you know what I'm saying? So it's good to see that link, and one of the things, I mean, I can't fault him for that. He does play his cards really well. So when him saying not idle, actually he really isn't idle. So, you know, again, it's good to see. He has a couple of things coming up as well on the European side. So, you know, you don't really hear much about him doing stuff in America as much as you see him working in Europe. So one of the things that he's going to be doing soon is Shutdown. So Shutdown Festival it's a 5-day festival, and I guess the way I can refer to it, it's similar to what you would have at Dream Weekend. Only thing, this one, it's 5 days. It's on a Greek island, and they have various different artists from all over the world come and perform, and it's a big thing. People, you know, save up and they go and spend that 5 days in different themed parties. Previous Jamaican people, we had Gully Bop, we had, you know, Mavado, French Montana. Oh no, not French Montana. He's not Jamaican. Anyway, Tony Matterhorn, and also Tommy Lee. Oh gosh, I'm totally losing my words here. So yeah, so he's going to be a part of that. He's not going to be headlining. Tory Lanez is going to be headlining, but he will be one of the main acts that will be there. Also Tony Matterhorn. He has a bunch of other things coming up in 2017, but this is what really just stuck out to me. And also, I didn't want to spend too much time on it. I just wanted to, you know, review the video, just kind of give my thoughts on it. I love the song. I mean, it's already done really well. I mean, I think it's over 2 million plus views for the audio, not the video. So it's actually quite nice to see him put visuals to this song, and I think it will do really well. It's just one of them songs that you'll just sit and kind of meds, you know what I mean? And again, I love the message, so that's the reason for this review in the first place. Like, more time I spend time, you know, talking about the clashes and, you know, the one bag of things, but sometimes it's just good to kind of take a step back and say, yo, hear what, this is a good song and this is a positive song, and I love the positive move that, you know, Popcaan is doing right now. I like the look. It's a very business focused way of doing dancehall, and this is why I talk about it today in another review. So go and check the video out, guys. Not idle. And yeah, I'll be back on the next video. Actually, I'll have another video up later on today. So yes, I'll speak with you guys later. Peace.